Hi, we're Kiwi, and we create AI personas that give you live feedback on your designs. So let's see how this works. Users are able to create a new test and see all the standard information that they need in order to run it. So here we can give it a name and then a goal as well. So over here, we're going to see if users are able to save a federal contracting opportunity. And then we're able to create or select a pre-existing persona. So for the sake of this one, we're going to give this one a name. We're going to call it Kyle, and he is a business owner. The goals that he wants to do is to be able to sell his services to the government. Some of the behaviors, maybe as he's busy and pressed for time, and frustrations that he has is that he needs a quick, easy way to navigate his selling process. And then we can also define any other sort of constraints or accessibility needs. So for the sake of this example, I'm just going to create this type persona, and then we're also able to describe the use case here. So again, we can be a bit more granular, going into platform to find a relevant opportunity and save it for future application. And then the cool part about Kiwi is we're able to either import a deployed website or our Figma prototype. So I'm going to upload the Figma prototype here, and we'll actually scrape all of the screens in order to give the feedback. Next, we can define the task. So here I want to define first, locate and go into a contract opportunity. And then the second task will be to save the relevant contract opportunity. Here we're also able to see other heuristics that are going to be evaluated too and check them on or off. So then I get an overview of all of the test information before I run it. And then I can run the simulation. And here it will connect to a server and be able to scrape your screens and evaluate them. So here we're going into the designs and we're seeing the relevant contracts. And you'll see here, Kyle is going to be able to look through this and simulate what it would be like if a actual person was running this usability test. So here they clicked on the title to go into the contract opportunity and view the relevant details. And you were able to see that Kyle was able to successfully save this contract opportunity. So this was quite a short test, but you can add as many tasks as you want, of course. And what would usually take weeks to coordinate now took only 53 seconds. So it gives live feedback as well, but we also got a summary of all the feedback that's needed. We're able to see that Kyle was confidently able to locate the contract opportunity. However, even though it was successful, we can see that the persona even surfaced other more granular things, such as having certain feedback in your designs when a user clicks it. So it can give these suggested fixes as well, even if they're able to successfully complete their tasks. We're even able to export all these comments as a PDF if we want to send it with our teams. In the persona section as well, we're also able to go back, edit, or delete our personas. We hope that Kiwi can give you back your time when it comes to testing your products.